Okay, hey, it's Miss Baxter. So today you're going to be taking your very first classroom assessment. This is on Properties of Matter 5.5a. I did tell you that you would be able to use your journal for your notes. And I'm going to give you that today because I want you to learn the value of doing your journal entry like you're supposed to. Because if you have it in your notes and stuff, then you can use it on the test today. If you don't, because you played around or you made poor choices and didn't get your work done, then that's on you. Either way, I'm going to read each question to you, and you're going to circle the best choice. Now, I want you to brain dump, okay, for each question. All right, so I want you to brain dump on your paper, whatever it is that you need to brain dump in regards to that question. I also have given you a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, so feel free to use that for your brain dump. Whatever else you think you need. And last but not least, I am giving everyone a Scantron. Now, the reason everyone gets a Scantron, and this one is Miss Blackman, Rachel Blackman. Thank you so much for being our I guess our spokesperson, or not a spokesperson, but our example. One thing I'm going to teach you to do in 5th grade, and hopefully you'll carry it all the way through the rest of your school. Bubble last. That means right now, put your bubble sheet away. Put it somewhere away, okay? Because what happens, guys, whenever you bubble as you work, right? I just answered one, now I'm going to bubble one. What happens whenever I realize I got one wrong and I erase it on my test, but I forget to do it on here? And you guys have proven to me that y'all are pretty forgetful people. So, rule of thumb, bubble last. Put it away. I can tell you that I will mandate that you put it away for every week when we do a test. Benchmark CBA, okay? The only thing I cannot legally tell you to put it away for is for STAR. So if I can't legally tell you that, but I train you, guess what you're going to do? Put it away. Last year, this is a true story. I had a student who would have passed his benchmark at the meets level. However, he did not, because he bubbled wrong. He got off when he was bubbling as he worked, okay? And then all of his bubbles were wrong after that. He missed 16 questions. 16 questions. And that made him fail the benchmark. I asked if he could fix it because we caught it, and I was told no by district. They said nope, because if it was a STAR test, you wouldn't be able to fix it either. He has to learn. And let me tell you, learn he did. And I saw that boy put that Scantron away every single time. So, bubble last. That means put it away. Only when you're done with the final question, then you bubble. Got it? All right. Now, let's get started. Number one, I'm going to try to. After I read the question, I want you to pause the video while you answer. Which of these materials would not be a good insulator of electricity? Metal, glass, plastic, wood. Pause it and answer. Number two, a material that has a definite volume but no definite shape is classified as a solid, liquid, gas, or not here. Number three, which physical property is measured rather than tested? A, floating in water. B, solubility. C, magnetism. D, mass. It's measured rather than tested. So think about those keywords. Number four, the objects have all of the following properties in common except, okay, you've got a penny, a metal spoon, and an iron nail. F, they all conduct electricity. They all sink in water. They all are magnetic. They all are solids. Box in that word except. Number 5. Which object below would be classified as having the greatest density? You know what I want to see written on the side of your paper right now. A, ping pong ball. B, penny. C, water. D, duck. Number 6. Which substance is not soluble in water? Box in that not. F, powdered drink mix. G, sugar. H, salt. J, sand. All right. These questions all have to do with the processing teaks, which are all like your charts and recycling and conservation and all that good stuff. Okay. During a science investigation, a student determined how objects could be classified. Object A, its physical state is a solid. Yes, it's attracted to a magnet. No, it's not soluble in water. B, physical state is a solid. Attracted to a magnet? No. Soluble in water? Yes. C, physical state, it's a solid. Is it attracted to a magnet? No. Is it soluble in water? No. So based on the properties, which of the following materials has the same physical properties as object B? So here's object B. You're looking for one of these to be the same physical properties as this. Is it an iron nail, salt, sand, or penny? Number 8. What evidence in the picture provides, what evidence in this picture right here proves that ice has less density than water? Ooh, what should you be writing right now? You see density. F, the water has more buoyancy than the ice cubes. G, the ice cubes are floating in the water. H, the ice cubes are resting at the bottom of the glass. J, the ice cubes are melting and becoming a liquid. Guys, cross off the ones you know the answer is not. Remember those strategies. Practice, practice, practice them. 9. After performing a lab investigation about solubility, which of these procedures is an appropriate choice for conserving resources? Conserving resources, guys, is how you're going to save those resources. Protect them, save them. A, throw dirty beakers in the trash. B, wash and store beakers for future use. C, save any unused food products to eat. D, leave all lab materials for other group members to put away. I hope everybody gets that right. Number 10. The table shows how a student stored objects by properties. Oh, sorted, not stored. Group 1, paperclip, iron nail, copper penny. Group 2, candle, pencil, craft stick. Craft stick is a wooden stick, guys. Popsicle stick. Based on the information collected for both groups, what is the best title for group 1? Ooh, what you gonna name this group? F, objects that conduct electricity. G, objects that make good insulators. This group. H, objects that are magnetic. Or objects that float. Which one is the best? All right, and last, number 11. 2 students record the mass of 4 objects as shown below. Student 1 charted it like this. Student 2 made an actual chart, and he wrote, plastic block is 15 grams, wood block is 25 grams, glass block 45 grams, steel block 60 grams. Which student recorded data with more accuracy? In other words, which student did the better of the two? Okay. Which one recorded their findings better? Student 1, because the data shows the unit of measurement. It does. Okay. B, student 1, because the measurements are listed from least to greatest. C, student 2, because the information is organized and measurements are labeled. D, student 2, because the objects are listed in alphabetical order. Okay, this is the end of your test. Now, if you feel good about your answers, I would look over them one more time. Then I would pull out your Scantron and bubble in. Make sure you bubble in the tiny circle, nice and neatly and dark. Nice, neatly, and dark. Okay? When you're done, then raise your hand and I'll come get your test from you. All right, bye.